Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common tech problem that many of us might face at some point. Picture this. You're trying to boot up your computer, but you're met with a frustrating error message. Yep, you guessed it, we have a problem on our hands. Now, onto the solution. As our tech-savvy friend discovered, the key to resolving this pesky issue lies in the event viewer logs. By investigating the timestamps and pinpointing the errors related to event ID 14 from source nvlddmkm, our hero uncovered the root of the problem. The suggested fix? Using DDU to completely remove the current GPU drivers and then reinstalling them from scratch. And voila, no more error messages popping up during boot up. Solution found. In summary, tackling tech problems head-on can lead to some pretty satisfying solutions. Remember, the next time you're faced with a pesky error message, don't panic. There's always a way to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your tech troubles and triumphs. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.